Hi everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. That's Jack.
Hello everybody, welcome back.
Letty's watching us like a hawk. And we're going to continue with our holiday stuff. Now this was requested a lot for Thanksgiving. Now, I used to get it for Thanksgiving. Christmas was a big time. A lot of people have asked for it. It's Ambrosia, or where we come from, just that pink stuff, because it's special like that. And we're going to try to do it today. I found a different recipe. It requires some different stuff, so we're going to get into that. Before we do, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube things, ring the little bell so you get notifications when we upload Tuesdays and Fridays, and let's get into it. So this one is very, very easy. There's a lot of other stuff. There's going to be a list down the video. So you're going to need some Cool Whip, a little bit of sour cream, which is new to me, mandarin oranges, some maraschino cherries, and pineapple. Now, a lot of people use the crushed stuff. Oh, and some nuts. We had some leftover pecans from the other stuff, so I just kind of broke them down while we're in the bag. And I'll get into the pineapple stuff here in a second. So go ahead and drain everything. Now the cherries, you're going to have to pull the stems off in like half these. Now like the pineapples I was talking about, a lot of people use the crushed stuff, so it's not big chunks. I like the big chunks because I don't trust that obliterated pineapple, like where it came from, if it was like some leftover like chunk pieces or something. Sure. Kind of like chipped beef. I don't trust it. I can't tell where it comes from, what part of the cow it is. I don't eat it. So I got to do that. So these cherries, now you can save some of that cherry juice and mix it in. That's what makes it the pink stuff. But I drain it all out and just put all of the fruit into a bowl. Hopefully you'll have a bigger bowl than we have.
Should have used the cake mixer bowl.
Yeah, that's a bigger one. Now, if you get all the chunks out, go ahead and add your whatever nuts. Again, nuts are completely optional. You don't have to have that kind of stuff. Now, the sour cream, we only need like half of this tub here, so it's only like 4 ounces. I think is what it was.
I don't understand what sour cream is doing.
I don't know.
Here.
I have never seen it. I think everybody I know that's done it just puts Cool Whip in it. It's just whipped together real neat. But every recipe I looked up had
sour cream
mixed into it. I don't know if it cuts the sweetness down or if it makes it blend easier or what the hell it does. And now the Cool Whip, the whip topping stuff, just go ahead and just put it on there as best you can, and then stir it up, and that's it. That's the majority, or like that's all of this. It's not the majority.
No
other than
cooking
draining,
at all.
I guess it's like no, it's no cooking. Now again, everybody was asking for this. Now some of the ones I saw online were orangey because it had more of the mandarin oranges in it. I think the stepmom usually keeps some of the maraschino juice in it, so it's very pink. So this is the pink stuff. So it takes on different colors depending on the fruit you use. Be sure to stir it. You don't want just a big mouthful of fruit. You want to be able to get that Cool Whip stuff. Jack's kid Ezra loved this stuff. He came in there and I just handed him a spoonful of it, and he just
he seemed to be all over it.
Took it. But that's it. Once you mix it, you're done. Like this is not something to keep and save or whatever. This is like you serve it as a dessert thing, or just you're sitting around at Christmas time and you're like, screw it, I'm fat and I want to eat something, take this. But it's super cheap, really easy. You don't even have to cook anything. Share this video to people that you know that always want to bring something, but they're like, I don't cook. Here's something you don't have to cook. Just mix it and you're done. So there you have it. Quick, fast, dirty Ambrosia. Not the way everybody I know growing up make it. Like, I don't understand the sour cream stuff, but we'll get into that. Be sure to tell us down in the comments, man, if you do it differently, what you like, what you don't like, how you like doing it. Well, maybe we'll revisit this one later. Until then, you can catch us here Tuesdays and Fridays on YouTube, or you can find us at Instagram at Living Between, or on Facebook, Patreon, and Pinterest at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there. And we'll see you next time.